Look at this beauty and elegance. Banana bread or banana cake made the Tayeba way. No milk, no eggs. Made with 100% whole wheat flour. The taste, the look, and the presentation, you can have it with your morning coffee or as an afternoon snack. Banana bread or banana cake. Let's make it together, have fun, and get all our loved ones to enjoy this wonderful lifestyle. Let's say Bismillah. I have 2 bananas. If they're not ripe, I put them in the oven for 10 minutes until they ripen. Then once they've cooled down, I take them out. Let's say Bismillah. It's a very simple process. Everything goes in the blender. 2 bananas, about 250 grams. Next, add 2/3 of a cup of olive oil or melted butter, which is 140 grams. 3/4 of a cup of heavy cream, 200 grams. And the method for making heavy cream is on the channel. If you haven't seen it, just write to me, heavy cream. 1 cup of sugar, 220 grams. 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 20 grams. Half a tablespoon of cinnamon, 3 grams. And the last thing, 1 cup of whole wheat flour, 125 grams, optional or mandatory. A 1/4 cup of walnuts, 30 grams. That's it, sir. Pour them into my mold. This mold is standard. It's called an English cake mold. And we'll put it in the oven. Make sure to preheat the oven for at least 15 minutes beforehand. Then set the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. It takes about 40 minutes. This is the mistake that all our mothers make. And I did it on purpose just to show it. Did you see how the cake turned out? I opened the oven on it and it collapsed in the middle. You see, that's the most dangerous thing. Look at the decoration. I take a banana, slice it, coat it with sugar, and then use a torch to caramelize it. Or any fruit. Pray for mercy for my mother and father from your heart. Share our videos so I can keep bringing you new content.